Buka man tido. Nana nang li. Hade.
Joining Rolling Lam Sogo, Tiram Nentri Prana Lam Sogo, yes, sir.
You have seen it yourself. आपने खुद अपने आंखों से देखा होगा the response that we have from all the people here. और ये जो response आप देख रहे हैं, एक constituency में इतना लोग आना, मतलब कि ground support पूरे हमारे पास है. और जो लोग पैसे के बलबूते में with the power of money, with the power of administration, हमारे गरीब तिपरासा को, इंडिजिनस लोगों को नीचे रखना चाहते हैं, उनको भी एक बात समझना चाहिए कि तिपरासा का वोट एक है और हमारा हौसला भी एक है. वी हैव द एंटायर इमोशन विद द पीपल और आने वाले दिन में उनको जवाब मिल जाएगा.
Whom you expect this fight this time will be? Is it of communist?
We'll see. I think the fight is that Tipra Motha should continue to speak for the people and not against particularly any party, but continue to speak for the rights of the people, and then you'll get the results. But as far as I see, Congress is nowhere in the ground, and the Communist Party has gone into his own shell. So BJP is trying to make some noise, the local BJP unit, but they should very well understand that they just cannot expect people to vote for BJP without doing any work for the indigenous people, especially in Tripura.
Some of your leaders said that BJP came to power in the last assembly election only due to the Tipra Motha.
Yes, if we had probably restricted ourselves in fighting in 20 seats, probably BJP wouldn't have come. But that's in hindsight that we have realized. And in the next election, we will see why we should allow some other party to come through a back entry, because we should have actually, now in hindsight, we should not have contested more than 25 to 30 seats.
Sir, the date today in this public rally, it coincides with the CA. Your party has been very much against it.
My case is still in the Supreme Court. And while the government of India has clarified that CA will not be applicable in the 6 scheduled areas, the very meaning of 6 scheduled area where we have no land rights means that in Meghalaya 6 scheduled area, people cannot come in what do you call, Assam, Bodoland, Karbi Anglong, Dimasa Hasao area, people can't enter. But in Tripura, because we don't have land rights in the 6th schedule area, we cannot stop anyone because the power is not with us, it's with DM. And DM is under state government. So we want that power to be given to us. And CA, the fight for CA will continue till the government of India does not strengthen the 6th schedule areas in Tripura.
So it's continuing still.
It's absolutely going to continue. That is a political right. Just because we have signed the Tiprasa Accord does not mean that we are going to let go of our political identity and our independent view on many issues.
It's high time the Tiprasa Accord, you said already 20 months are over. Time lapse was 6 months if I remember well. So do you think before this election the BJP...
No, you have to ask this question to them. I have been, I've made maybe 20-25 trips to Delhi. I've spoken to everyone. They all admit in private that it should be done. But publicly, until it's not done, why should I give anyone a free hand? Until it's not done in black and white, in writing, why should we trust anyone?
Is the local BJP against it?
I think the local BJP, I keep on talking to the Chief Minister. He comes across as a very well-meaning gentleman. But then there are some local leaders who are looking to get a ticket in the next election. So to get a ticket in the next election, they will make some noise because, see, to be very honest, ये लीडर लोग कुछ जीतने वाले नहीं हैं, लेकिन बीजेपी से पैसा लेकर थोड़ा सा पैसा कमाएंगे और इलेक्शन फाइट करेंगे. लेकिन जो लोग बीजेपी में राजनीति को समझते हैं, जो लोग पॉलिटिक्स को समझते हैं, उनको मालूम है कि हमारा क्या एक्चुअल पावर है ग्राउंड में, और उन लोग जो लोग पैसे के नाम में टिकट चाहिए उनको, उनका क्या पावर है, सब लोग जानते हैं.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.